In question 9, you're asked to produce a stem and leaf plot. Find the minimum, the lower quartile, median, the upper quartile, and the maximum score, and then make it into a box plot. Now, a problem like this, really speaking, is probably best done on the calculator. Setting out the stem and leaf, which you've had a bit of practice with, is shown there. The next thing you do is to enter the data into the menu statistics part, and then what we're going to do now is to see the box plot. So I go set graph, setting, change that to medbox, okay, and then press the graph. So you can see here, doing the analysis trace, that I've got a minimum value of 182 millimeters, lower quartile 195 millimeters, the median 199 millimeters, the upper quartile 207 millimeters, and then lastly the maximum score of 206 millimeters. It'll also help us scale. So I'll write that down as a bit of a summary, and then what we can do, we can construct a box plot where the box plot splits the data into 25% groupings. So scaling, the little grid paper will probably work best here. So this is the estimate, millimeters, and then putting in little wings at 182, 195, 199, 207, and 216 millimeters, and I draw the box into the middle. So it's my minimum X, which is 182 mil. My lower quartile is 195 mil. The median, 199 millimeters. The upper quartile, and the maximum of 216 millimeters. So a box plot breaks the data up into 25% groupings. Quite often we're interested in the interquartile range, the difference of course between the upper quartile and the lower quartile. Now be pleased to know that there's a setting on your calculator that will actually give you the ability to spot straight out any outlier. Now it's important you can do the test if you're aiming for an A in particular, but will save you a bit of trouble along the way.